Our office build has been coming along slowly, but we're about to make some big progress. If you're following along, you know that we previously boxed in the middle of the end beam to give it a cleaner look and to create some nice accent lighting along that wall. We also got the polyacrylic applied to the beams as a sealant and to give a nice satin finish. Next, Jason got the plywood installed for the subfloor, which you didn't see. And as you will see in this video, our next steps were to get the ceramic tile on the wall where our heat source will go this fall. Next, we get to work putting the metal on the ceiling, which is something we've been looking forward to since starting this project. So be sure you're subscribed to follow along and join our journey, and tap the bell so you're notified when we post new videos. Thanks for watching, guys. Jason got the subfloor in. What are you doing over here, babe?
Where?
What's this?
This is where our ceramic tile is going to go. This white stuff is what they call anti-fracture paper.
Well, rather than directly gluing it to the cement board, if you lay this and lay it on this, then it'll allow that to move before the tile breaks, right?
Yep.
All right, well, it looks good. Got the subfloor in. Did the subfloor today. It's coming along though. We got the metal that'll be done this weekend. Subfloor's in.
Tile's going up.
So, yep. I'm gonna get the tile up. Ceiling will be done this weekend, and then
Put the ceiling
we'll go
in.
from there. All right. Well, good job, babe. Very exciting.
It'll look different tomorrow.
Wow. That looks so weird.
What do you think?
It's gonna take me a minute to get used to it.
Alright, let's try it now. Go.
Yep.
No, you gotta work it one way to the other.
Definitely better than it was. So.
It's a whole lot better.
We got our metal
Hey,
up
please.
where our drop ceiling come down. I'm really liking it. I'm happy. We had a little bit of issues where the metal overlapped, but
I don't know if when they cut it or what happened that it bent it or something, but it did not want to go together very well.
yeah, so we reversed it, and now it's the part where you can see the writing is out, but overlap perfectly that way, so we're just gonna have to find something to get that off there. So if anybody knows what can get that marker or angle off that metal, let us know.
Yes, please.
We were using some crud cutter and that started to. It's gonna take a lot of elbow grease with that though. So now we're working on getting our lights in. I can't wait to see the lights in there. I'm really excited to see how those look. Just to see what the, you know, the light looks like. But I love the color of the metal, especially to the tile. I think it looks really good.
Yeah, I like it.
So we're gonna get the lights in and then probably get started on putting the metal in the base. Yay! All right, we got our lights in. It took a while because one of the springs on the darn thing broke and it took forever to get it back on.
Really made me mad.
So, lights are in. They look very good. And before we start the metal in the base, we're wiring in for 4 more lights that are gonna go down these 2 bays here. So that's what he's doing now. Woo woo.
We're getting close.
Got the wire in. This is where our lights will be placed. As you can see, the hang downs. We're gonna have 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now we can get started on the metal in the base.
That's a dozen lights in here. 12.
Yeah.
I started with 2, now we have 12.
First we started with a couple and then we just keep adding more lights.
I put the cans in for directed light for where Christy's desk's gonna be. That way she had nice light right on her desk. And then we just liked them so much that, well, here we are.
Plus they're dimmable too, which I love.
8 3/4, 33 and a half. What are they?
8 3/4.
33 and a half.
Yep. 57 and a half.
Let's do it. You good?
Yeah.
To the beam. 66. It's hard. Yeah, that works too.
50 3/8, 73.
Or 3/8. What'd you say? 70,
3 and a half.
73 and a half. Then you got the 5 1/4 and the 25. All right, let's do it.
First bay. Spray. Ooh, light number 1.
Back down.
Back down.
Yeah, this is what you're running to, babe. It's been a long day. A lot going on today. She's going in this time. All right.
You still going on squirrels? Squirrels?
Squeals. All right, you're good. Can you get me some more screws? Please.
Ask about that. Remember when I asked if you heard squirrels?
Did you ask about screws or were you talking about the squirrel?
I meant to say screws and I said squirrel.
Because I was going to say, because I heard squirrel.
Alright guys, it's the next day. It's a nice beautiful day. Our camera died last night, but we got a couple pieces of metal into the bays where the lights are at. Jason showed me how to strip and wire in a light, so I got to do one of those. And we're gonna go over and try to get this finished before we leave today because he'll be out of town this week. So here we go. Dun, 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 dun. How good that looks. These lights really put a shine on those beams. We were talking about maybe lowering this metal at some point in time and bringing that down a little bit. I hate to cover up any more of that beam though. Looking good. But 4 more to go.
Last day.
Woo! I love it. Two more. One here, one there. Jason got the last 2 pieces of metal in. Our vision is coming together and I love it. I love how it turned out. It's exactly what I was picturing. The lights are awesome. One thing with the lights, I think I said, but these 2 bays with the lights, this metal needs to drop down. What'd you say, like 3/4 of an inch? Just to suck these lights up into that metal because they stick out a little bit. We want them flush like these ones. This week has really brought this room together.
I'm sad I have to stop for a week. I can't work every day. I have to go and work at some point.
I can't go work every day. I gotta go work. I love it. It looks good. It looks so good trimmed out. So next up, you said was doors.
Doors. We're gonna go pick up 2 doors. This week whenever I get home, and we'll install the doors this weekend, and then the next step after the doors are in is to
Lacquer the walls, right?
trim.
Oh, trim?
Well, we'll put the corner trim up. I'll probably base it. We have to get these pieces of trim, but whatever we decide to do here, those are going to be done on a sawhorse down here and then cut and put up.
You'll base it before the floor goes in?
Yeah.
Okay.
I might not. We might do the
Yeah.
base the same way. It just makes the carpet a little harder.
I gotcha. Oh,
We'll see how it goes. One day at a time. We got a lot done though, and I'm very happy. So stick around, more work to be done. Give us a thumbs up if you liked it. Leave us a comment down below. And subscribe to join our journey. See you in the next one. Bye guys.
Bye,
Say
babe.
bye, babe. Oh, you beat me to it.
Such a nice day.
Beautiful day.